Hello everyone. We know that mobile phones have transformed the lifestyles of every person. Each and every second mobile users are increasing rapidly. And today onwards 492.78 million active smartphone users are there. OMG. And, you know one thing. Mobile companies like Apple, Samsung, Huawei, Vivo, Xiaomi, Oppo, Nokia and others are manufacturing millions of mobile every year. And this rapid changing opened a new door to smartphone repairing field. It has become a trending field that has attracted thousands of students too, and realized the exciting opportunities in this industry. That's why Britco and Bridco became the pioneer of Mobile Repairing Technology Institute in this industry. Since 1998 we are trying to mold our students' personal and professional career. Through that journey we achieved so much. 20 plus institutes across the globe. 500 plus supporting services center. 10,000 plus global alumni network. State-of-art RAN division with manufacturing. Supply of mobile phone technicians and faculty around the world. We are providing smart classrooms with the help of augmented reality and virtual reality. And in 2021 we becomes the academic partner of TSSC. So our students don't need to follow the age-old tradition of studying,